What's up, guys? Scott here with Wandering the Wilderness. Been tracking this deer that I shot, and I just bumped him. He was laying down in a creek. Uh, I gave him about 30-45 minutes, and I was tracking him, and it was so thick and briar, I was literally on my hands and knees. And right when I got to the creek bed, I seen him laying in the creek. He jumped up the creek edge, and I've been sitting out here another 30 minutes. I heard him crash about 30 yards that way. But while I was sitting here, kept smelling something. Smelled kind of really delicious. Smelled very citrusy, almost floral, and kind of fermented. Had no idea what it was, so I just looked it up, and it is a Paw Paw fruit. Never had one. I don't know that I've ever even seen one, but they're all over this property. Apparently deer don't eat them. Maybe that's why there's so many of them. I can tell they have their fruit because I see tons of fruit flies all over the ones that are overripe. So if it is green and soft to the touch, it's supposed to be ripe. So we're going to squeeze this open. It's a really nice bright color, and has kind of a banana type smell. So I'm going to try a little piece of it. Yeah, I think mango banana is probably a good oh yeah, that's even better in the middle. I'm gonna say mango banana is a good good depiction of what this tastes like. There's a lot of heavy seeds in them. I'm not gonna eat any seeds, but fruit's good. So I'll turn the camera around, show you a few of them. Let's see one here. See, the fruit flies are all over that little crack. You see them all over that. That one's overripe. But these ones are supposed to be the good stuff right there. Not bad. A citrusy mango banana. So, if you happen to be out tracking a deer, don't have any snacks with you, and you run across the Paw Paw, I'd say it's well worth eating. Or say in a survival situation, that's good food. I'm not going to eat too much because I've never had it before. Sampling is a good way to see if you're allergic or have any kind of reaction. So I think with those couple little bites, we'll see how my body does with it. I might throw a couple in my bag, try them out later. So anyway, I'm going to go finish tracking this deer, and I'll let you know when we see him.